Hey there, fellow drivers. Are you ready to hit the road with confidence and peace of mind? Today, we've got you covered with an essential guide on how to get online car insurance in the United States. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a first-time car owner, finding the right coverage is crucial. So, let's buckle up and dive right in. Step 1. Gather information. First things first, to get your car insurance quote lightning fast, you'll need some basic information at your fingertips. Grab your driver's license number, social security number, optional, and details about any driving violations or accidents in the last 5 years. Step 2. Insurance quote. Time to get your online insurance quote. Head over to Nationwide's user-friendly website and enter your zip code. Click Get a Quote and tell us about yourself, the car you want to insure, and the drivers who'll be hitting the road. Step 3. Comparing insurance options. You've got your quotes, but don't settle just yet. Let's compare to find the best fit. Keep an eye on the coverages offered, available discounts, deductibles, and liability limits. Don't forget those additional customizable features. Step 4. Discovering discounts. Who doesn't love savings? While you're getting your quote, Nationwide will identify potential discounts for you. Look out for multi-policy discounts, safe driver perks, and anti-theft device savings. And there's more. Ever heard of Nationwide Smart Ride? It's a usage-based program that encourages safe driving and can get you even more discounts. Step 5. Understanding coverage options. Now, let's talk coverage options. Nationwide offers a variety of choices to suit your needs. From comprehensive and collision coverage to uninsured motorist protection, make sure you know what each option entails. Step 6. Liability insurance. Liability insurance, it's the minimum coverage required in most states. But hey, don't rush into it blindly. While it keeps you legal, it might not cover everything you need in case of a serious accident or damage. Consider your options carefully for that added peace of mind. Step 7. Customizing your policy. Let's make your policy perfect for you. You've got some sweet, affordable upgrades available. How about roadside assistance to save the day when you need a tow, jump start, or tire change? Or vanishing deductible, a perk that takes $100 off your deductible every year of safe driving. And don't forget about accident forgiveness, we've got your back even if it's your first at-fault accident. Step 8. Choosing your policy. You've got options, and that's fantastic. Once you receive your instant car insurance quote from Nationwide, take your time to select the policy that suits your needs and budget best. And remember, you can always customize it to make it uniquely yours. Step 9. Purchasing your insurance. Ready to hit the road with confidence? You're almost there. Just pick a payment option that works for you, complete the transaction, and tada! You can now download your proof of insurance card and print it out. Well, folks, there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to get online car insurance in the United States. From gathering information and comparing quotes to understanding coverage options and customizing your policy, we've got you covered like a seatbelt. Remember, your car insurance is not just a piece of paper, it's your safety net on the open road. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.